everyone, this is a question from the high school entrance exam with a false answer rate as high as 80%. Let's see if you can get it right. The question states, given that x minus 2 to the power of x squared minus 4 equals 1, find the value of x. Sigh, some students have already seen it. When I see something raised to a power equals 1, the first thing that comes to mind is any number to the power of 0 equals 1, right? So can I just set the exponent to 0? That is x squared minus 4 equals 0, right? So what do I get? Does that mean x equals plus or minus 2? But you have to substitute it back in and check. If you plug in positive 2, you get 0 to the power of 0. So positive 2 doesn't work. 2 is not correct. What about negative 2? If you substitute negative 2, you get negative 4 to the power of 0. Negative 4 to the power of 0, there's nothing wrong with that. It equals 1. So negative 2 works. So 2 doesn't work, and we get one answer, negative 2. Okay, what other situations are there? What else when raised to some power equals 1? If the base is 1, then any exponent will result in 1, right? Yeah, that's easy to understand. Any power of 1 is still 1. So just make it equal to 1, and that's fine, right? Then does x equal 3? If x equals 3, let's substitute it back and check. Doesn't it become 1? 3 squared is 9. 9 divided by 4.5 to the 1.5 power equals 1. No problem, that's fine too. This one is also correct. Then some students say, if it's negative, 1 raised to an even power, it also equals 1. Right? This is an integer. So can I set it equal to negative 1? If x minus 2 equals negative 1, then what is x? X would be 1, right? Let's substitute x equals 1 back in and try it. Negative 1 substituted in, 1 to the power of negative 1. This doesn't work, it's negative 1. Substitute it in and you get negative 3. Negative 3 doesn't work. So are the answers just these two, or are there any other possibilities? Is it possible that there's a number, some number raised to some power, that equals 1? Are there any other possibilities? I think actually there are just these two possibilities.